What's up, guys? Welcome back to 513 Garage. I got my buddy John here.
What up?
And today we're going to be installing those Raxiom fog lights. So we got to find the wire splicer first. He's got his Z starter. We're about to dive. Carbon monoxide. Is that?
So, I don't know. I bought like a soldering kit, and this is just like a tiny little cheap one. You can probably find better ones, but I mean, this will work.
Yeah, it'll work. So we're going to go ahead and get this hood popped and then get everything out and just we'll vlog on what we're doing, and then yeah, shouldn't be too bad. I set my alarm off, bro.
Might be a little difficult to get to.
Yeah. All right, we just took the cover off, which John said over there. So the first thing we got to do is take the housings for the fog lights off.
That's a Torx bit. Why would that not be
So
normal? We're
we're gonna figure that out real quick and get back to you guys. All right, so we just took the front grill out. Have it here in my hand. It's kind of hard. There's basically two little clips holding it on each side. The ones on the bottom are pretty hard to get. We just used like 2 screwdrivers and kind of wedged it out. It's these clips right here. But we finally got it out, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the new fog lights in there. On a video it said we might have to like switch the horn around. I don't know, we'll figure it out.
It's
but
like, they're held on by like 2 metal bracket things. I think what I've seen before, you can just kind of like use your hand and kind of just bend it back a little bit for that extra clearance.
yeah.
But,
All right, well we're gonna get those new housings in there now.
yeah.
All right, so me and John tried to take the easy way out like we always do. And we figured out that we're gonna end up having to take the front bumper off again. It would have made more sense if we would have just done these while we installed the headlights, but we don't think that's smart. So now we're gonna have to jack the car up, take the front bumper off so we can tap into the parking lights. That's where these fog lights go into. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so a little update, we got the bumper off. So basically what we're about to do is there's a brown wire and a black wire. If you'll focus, you kind of can't see because they're both dark, but you have to cut them and then splice them, and then with the new wiring harness from the fog lights, we're gonna connect them through, what did they call this thing?
It's a quick connect. So once you cut the wire off there, you're gonna take the top one and you're going to twist those wires together with this red one, and it'll be one end. And you'll put that big end with the top of here and this red one in one side. And then since you cut it in half, you'll take the other end and then put it in this side. And in here is a bunch of metal. So once you squeeze it down together, how electricity works is everything has to be a complete circuit. So think about the lights in your house. It's one big wire, but it stops at the light switch. So when you flip the light off, it discontinues the circuit to turn the light off, and then when you flip the light switch again, it reattaches the circuit to let the electricity flow, and then once you have that complete circuit, that's when the electricity comes back on. So
yeah,
all the wires have to be connected together to complete the circuit in order to have them turn on. So
we're gonna go ahead and do
that's
that.
what this is for.
I don't know why they put styrofoam up here. It's like if I get in a wreck, I'm screwed. Just a bunch of styrofoam. So all right, so wish us luck. Hopefully we don't screw my lights up forever, and yeah. Alrighty, so basically we got all the wires spliced. We got the heat gun, and we heat shrink wrap the wires together so they don't come out as if I go over a bump or anything.
They handed the tape.
So overall, if you guys are looking to do this, it's probably gonna, if you have a buddy with you, it's probably gonna take about 1.5 hours. Especially if it's your first time and you've never done it before.
And when I do all the work.
Yeah, John wishes. I've done a very good job holding the light, bro.
Oh,
But, I do recommend you get a heat gun and then just heat that up. It puts the wires closer together. So we're gonna, after this, I gotta end up going, but we're gonna put the grill back on, and then it's gonna look nice. So, John, do you have anything to say?
Not with the light in my eyes.
Sorry.
Really?
Sorry.
Trying to put your wires together and shine them.
Hey, bro. Alright. Well, he has nothing to say. Alright, so they are both on.
You're welcome.
Shut up. So yeah, all that's left is put the bumper on and then put this grill back in there. Dang,
We gotta
those.
see if it'll hit the horn.
Yeah, I don't know. there was a video saying we gotta rearrange like where the horn is at.
Fine.
Yeah, so. But yeah, I gotta end up going because I gotta go to work. So we're gonna continue this tomorrow after John gets off work. But yeah, these things look awesome. It's definitely worth it if you spend the time. It's definitely worth it, so. All right, as you guys can tell, this is a different day, different video. Last video, me and John got pissed off and left, so no. We actually did leave, but we finished it. So here's what it's looking like right now with the Raxioms in there. John's taking apart his bumper, like always, because this is a piece, right?
Like always.
You can finally see like the intakes now. I've never actually got able to see.
Yeah, you know why? Because you're supposed to fucking help me with this.
Hey, stop! Don't cuss, bro.
Freaking, you're supposed to help me with them, and what? You never came over.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot I ditched you, bro.
Yeah.
Probably for her, honestly. But I'm gonna turn these halos on real quick just so you guys can see. They look awesome. They really do. So that's what they look like. Like I said earlier, we tapped them into the turn signal, so every time the turn signals are on, the halos are gonna be on. But they definitely do look good. I will turn the actual light on with the halo so you guys can see. Go ahead and pull that. And then now that's the, that is not. I think I might actually need to put my key in maybe, I don't know. Are they on, John?
No.
Are they or no?
When you fucking flip the switch, they turn on.
No, they're not on, bro.
The middle ones?
Alright, well, I don't know. They were working earlier. I don't even care right now. But yeah, that's what they look like. They definitely look a lot better than the stock ones. And plus my stock one had a big old crack in it. So I am very excited with them. What? Alright. So for the people that do watch, I need your guys' help with something. I know in a previous video I said that the newer Mustangs are really, I wasn't looking to buy one or anything, but I don't know, I've been looking at a few. I don't know, they've definitely crossed my mind and I'm able to get one. There's definitely a lot of good deals like on the 15s and 16s for like 21, 22. So the plan would be to sell the 3-valve and then put that money as a down payment on a S550. So let me guys know what you think about that. I'm still not sure. I don't know if I want to keep this or if I want to get an S550. Obviously they're going to be faster. I definitely like the way these look better, but you can make the S550s look really good as well. So just something that's been crossed my mind that I wanted to share with you guys. Definitely been looking at a lot of them lately. I don't know how, but yeah, I don't know. Until I find one that really catches my eye, like a really good deal, or I have someone to buy this car, I'm definitely not getting one in the future. So that's just something I wanted to share. That's gonna wrap this video up. I just wanted to say that I appreciate everyone that's been watching and supporting this channel. To most of my friends that have watched, friends, family, I know my little brothers and sisters watch this channel, so I just wanted to say thank you to everyone. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Me and John are going to be dropping a lot of content here soon, and you guys are not going to want to miss out on it. So that's all I got for this video. Thank you guys for 60 subscribers. When we first started this, I never even thought 60 was possible. So thank you guys, and I'm out.